welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today is a Shein haul, a Shein Black Friday haul to be specific. And if you use this little coupon code, you could save some money at checkout. I'm not going to spend too much time on the intro. I just kind of want to jump into this video. Thank you, Shein, for collaborating with me, and let's get started. So this is the very first outfit. I wanted to show you guys shoes and everything. I'm obsessed with these shoes because they are so sparkly and pretty. Let me lift this up a little bit. So as you can see, the strap around the ankle is also sparkly. I thought these would be perfect for the Christmas season, the holiday season, for New Year's, for whatever you celebrate during this time. If you're just going to parties, whatever it may be, I thought those shoes would be like fun and festive. So for this Shein haul, I decided to stick with more like holiday themed colors. So this is like a perfect outfit to wear to like an office party. A lot of offices have holiday parties this time of year. You can wear it to Thanksgiving if you want to. These faux leather pants are high-waisted. So as you can see here, it has like a little V shape. So I love that. You can wear these with a crop top like I'm wearing. So everything I'm showing you is in a 1XL, which is equivalent to a size 14. So keep that in mind. So these pants in the 1XL are really comfortable. Now, if you want your faux leather pants to fit you a little bit tighter, I would suggest sizing down because I do feel like I have some room in these, but that's what makes them so comfortable. So let's move on to the top. I love this top. So you can wear this with a bra or without a bra because it does have padding on the inside. And I love this little chain detail. It is so pretty. Love that. And I love this blazer. I think it's perfect for the holiday time. The color is perfect. It's black and red. I love the gold buttons, but the buttons are not like really shiny or anything like that. So I love this outfit. I love the cut of this blazer because it still shows off this faux leather detail right here. So I like that. So yeah, this is the first outfit I wanted to show you. Give you an idea on what you could possibly wear to a holiday party, or you can even wear this to like dinner or something like that. I thought this was so adorable. Let me turn to the side. So that is the side profile, and that is how high the heel is. As you can see, the heel is pretty high. So yeah, that's the first outfit. Let's move on to the second one. So I just switched out the top for this outfit. So this is the full look. This top is definitely a little bit more dressy. This is definitely more of like a going out top. I love the sleeve. I love the oversized sleeve. I love this neckline. It's definitely like a little bit deeper, but it's not too revealing. I think it's so comfortable. So yeah, I just paired it with the same faux leather leggings, and you can see the little V right here. So this is a little bit of a crop top. As you can tell, I think this outfit is so cute and perfect to wear to dinner, maybe Christmas dinner. You can wear this just to brunch or something like that. Maybe if you're just feeling festive, if you love the color red and you just like wearing red. It doesn't have to have anything to do with the Christmas season or holiday time. You could just simply love this top. I think it is beautiful. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this top except it is comfortable. This part is velvety and the sleeve is satin. So next up we have another red top. There is a lot of red in this haul. This one is a lightweight material, so even though it's a turtleneck, it's still giving you the warmth while being lightweight. I love the little details on it. This is definitely a more casual top. You can wear this into the office. You can wear this to church for the holiday time. You can wear this, you can just wear it on a regular day because it's festive and it's comfortable. So if you like turtlenecks, you can definitely pair this with like jeans, dress pants. Again, I just have them on with the same shoes and leather leggings, but I thought this was like a more casual look. If you're not into like the more dressy tops, this is definitely still really cute and dressy without being like, you know, showing too much. You're pretty much covered up completely. You can swap out the shoes for a more comfortable black pair of flat shoes or something like that. But yeah, this is just a really great basic to have. Here is a closer look of the material. Very comfortable, very lightweight, just an all-around good sweater. And if you untuck it, it does go down pretty long, so it's not a cropped sweater at all. Very comfortable, a good staple. Okay, so next up we have a fun turtleneck top. The turtleneck on this one is a little bit looser than the turtleneck on the red sweater. This is a lightweight ribbed top. As you can see, it does have this like little cutout detail here, which I think is really nice, so you can wear this with like a strapless bra, because if you do wear a regular bra here, it is going to show through a little bit. I just have it tucked into the faux leather pants because I wanted this detail to pop and show a little bit more. So if you want an outfit that's still like dressy, a little bit sexy, but you're still mostly covered up, this is a great way to incorporate that into an outfit. So I love this. This top is very comfortable, it is stretchy, and it's not cropped, by the way. So if I untuck this top, it does go down pretty long, so it is a decent length top as well. This coat is from Shein, and so is this off-the-shoulder long sleeve dress. I just thought this was like a fun look. I love this teddy coat as well because one, it's so cute and it's in this black color, which I don't have. It's a teddy coat, but it's also lightweight. It's just like perfect for me because I love that detail. A lot of teddy coats are like super heavy, and I like the fact that this one is not. So it does have pockets as well. This dress is on the lighter side. It's definitely stretchy, as you can see. I love this like little detail here as well. Just a really fun outfit look. So as you can see, this is a mini dress, so keep that in mind. You can wear it as is, or you can layer a coat over it like I have, or you can wear some like sheer stockings with it if you want to. If you don't like the teddy coat, I have this option for you. This is a faux leather jacket that is cropped, as you can see. I've been wanting one of these for such a long time, and I do like this one because it does have a zipper, so you can actually zip it up if you get a little bit chilly. And depending on where you live, you might not need like a heavy coat. You might just need like something light. So I thought this would be like a fun edgy look. I love this faux leather jacket. It's so lightweight, by the way, and it does have zippers there as well. And I do have on the same dress, so the back of the dress is pretty short. But yeah, I just have one more outfit to show you, and then we will wrap up this video. The very last outfit I have to show you is a pair of pajamas. Now obviously these are Christmas pajamas, but they are so comfortable. They have Christmas trees, bells, gingerbread cookies, so I just thought they were so cute. So once you get home from like your holiday party or your outing or whatever, you can change into these comfy lightweight Christmas pajamas. So that's what the bottoms look like. Very comfortable. As you can see, they are high-waisted, and the top is a little bit cropped as well. You can wear these Christmas morning to open up your presents. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out. Don't forget to use this coupon code so you can save money. Everything again is linked down below. Please feel free to follow me on Amazon. Please feel free to follow me on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.